So, could you guys actually tell me which Carcia is actually correct? Is it this one from China, or is it this factory custom in the middle, or is it this one from Thailand? All three of these are different, and of course I will be taking a closer look at those today. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. So let's get straight into it. So this is the Carcia that we got in the 10 pack with Bruce Miller back in 2018/19 from China, one of the last Chinese cars to be released. He's got a very nice G logo in bright blue. Take note of that. He's got yellow bumper at the front, which you could take note of too. Got number 80 on the roof in yellow/blue. Got the, of course, spoiler reads Gask-It. One of my favourite piston cup racers/sponsors. We've got piston cup carbon fibers and synergy. Number 80 light year rims. We've got the back, which reads G Gask-It, again the rookie racing stripes. To prove to you, this is the official release. Pretty nice. So yeah, and this is the factory custom from China, which was revealed to us in around October-November 2023. I am recording this video in December 2023. We can see the G logo is a way much darker colour. The bumper is no longer yellow. He has a more metallic paint. You can see the spoiler is completely different too. It has a Ryan inside Laney spoiler, as you can see. Two spoiler differences. See, the rims are of course more darker on the factory custom compared to the Chinese official release. The windows are also different. The sponsor colour is also different too, as we can see. Pretty nice. The back, of course, as you could probably guess, the G logo is more inaccurate. Or accurate, depends on how you want to see it. They're the two spoilers. Gaskets. Here is the other side. Factory custom official release. And of course here is the base of the factory custom, as we can see. Now we have the official release from Thailand, released in 2020 in the Blue Desert series. We can see the metal window bars, which I guess is more accurate. You can see the spoiler differences again. So I'm guessing the factory custom is incorrect with the spoiler. Got the G, which is again a slightly different shade of dark blue. But again, the Mattel version has that yellow bumper. So many differences. If you like accuracy, I'll go for the Thailand variant. You can see them all here. It's probably going to be something along the lines of my thumbnail. Coming up to 3 minutes, which is how I like to end my videos, 3 to 6 minute range. Thailand, factory custom, China. The G logo is more accurate or more blue compared to that on the Thailand version. And here's the base of the Thailand version. Yeah, comment down below which is your favourite variant of Carcia. And of course until the very next video, which will be again like normal, which will be tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Peace guys.